Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic reels using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open the project I have just created. And we can go to the ratio guys. For Instagram reels, make sure you select this ratio. Okay, and then to make it cinematic, I'm going to apply cinematic color grading to this video. So I'm going to click on my video, and then we can go to the adjust, and then you can follow my adjustment. Start from the brightness. I'm going to make it -3. Okay, and then for the contrast, I'm going to make it +5. Okay, and oops, sorry, for the brightness, make it -3. And let's move to the saturation. You can make it +4, and move to the brilliance, make it -20. Okay, and go to the sharpen. You're going to make it +25, and then go to the clarity right here, and for the clarity, make it 19, +19. All right, and go to the highlights. For the highlight, I'm going to make it -3, and for the shadow, make it +4, and for the whites, make it +3, and for the blacks, make it -5, and then for the temperature, make it -10. All right, and then the last one, for the hue, you're going to make it +9. All right, and click on the check mark. Okay, and this is how the video looks like after the adjustment. And then I'm going to apply speed ramping. So we're gonna go to the speed, and then I'm going to choose curve and select custom, edit, and then I'm going to make it like this. Okay, like this guys. You can follow my curve, or you can create your own curve. And for the last one, okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and wait, I'm going to apply smooth slow motion, faster process. Click on the check mark. Okay, and then just hold on until the process is complete. All right, and this is for the final result. Wow, it looks cinematic. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.